Ladies and gents, gamers and nerds alike, feast your eyes on the Samsung Odyssey G4, specifically the LS25BG402. Now, if you're hunting for a gaming monitor that's got the speed to make your eyes water and looks to not totally embarrass your setup, this little beast might just be your soulmate. First things first, the price. $229. Yep, you heard me. Under 2.5 Benjamins, you get a 25-inch screen that punches way above its weight. This isn't some budget compromise monitor. It's a perfect gaming sidekick, ready to chase those high frame rates like it's training for the Olympics. And speaking of frame rates, let's talk performance. 25-inch of glorious 1920 by 1080 goodness. It's not ultra sharp, but come on, clarity is just fine and everything stays smack in your field of view. Perfect for esports level focus. Classic 16:9 ratio means no weird stretching, no compatibility headaches, just plug and play. And the crown jewel, 240Hz refresh rate. Yes, 240. Your gameplay will feel so buttery smooth, your rig might start asking for a high five.
High five!
But fair warning, you better have a GPU that can keep up, or it's just sad, slow motion tears. Extras? Oh, we got extras. NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, AMD FreeSync Premium, basically no screen tearing. Your games won't just run, they'll glide like they're on roller skates. Picture quality? Surprisingly solid. IPS panels brings color that actually looks like color. 99% of the sRGB coverage means your games won't look like a cartoon vomiting explosion. Brightness hits around 400 nits, so your sunlit room doesn't murder your vibes. And yeah, it supports HDR10, though don't expect movie theater magic here. It's more like a nice cherry on top. Contrast? Typical IPS stuff. Good, not oh wow, but totally fine. Text, browsing, homework, light editing, handled. 1080p on 25 inches is more than usable. Your eyes won't stage a revolt. Now the ports, all the essentials. DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI 2.0, a 3.5mm audio jack. Nothing extra, nothing missing, just right. Design-wise, it's functional. Not wow, that's sexy, but slap it on a monitor arm and boom, instant upgrade. If this sounds like your vibe, you may check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!